SimPure has built a reputation for affordable, effective water filtration. But do their water filters really live up to the hype? In this video, we'll explore real customer reviews, expert opinions, and SimPure's most popular models to help you decide if it's a brand you can trust with your family's health. Links to the best deals for each SimPure water filter are in the description box below. The SimPure 3-stage whole house water filter is a robust solution for households seeking comprehensive water filtration at the point of entry. This system is designed to address a wide spectrum of water quality issues, including sediment, chlorine, rust, and other common contaminants that can affect both the safety and aesthetics of your water. With its 3-stage configuration, the Big Blue system ensures that every tap in your home delivers cleaner, clearer water, making showers more refreshing, laundry brighter, and kitchen tasks more enjoyable. Each stage of filtration is engineered for maximum efficiency. The first stage typically employs a high-capacity sediment filter, capturing sand, silt, and debris that can clog pipes and reduce appliance lifespan. The second stage often features a carbon block filter, which excels at removing chlorine, bad tastes, and odors, providing water that's more pleasant on the palate and gentler on skin and hair. The third stage further polishes the water, targeting finer particulates and residual chemicals, ensuring the highest possible water quality for your entire home. The 20-inch large diameter cartridges are a significant advantage, as they offer extended filter life and higher flow rates compared to standard-sized filters. This means fewer replacements and uninterrupted water pressure, even in larger homes or during peak usage times. The rugged, heavy-duty housings are built to withstand the demands of continuous operation, while the system's design allows for straightforward DIY installation and maintenance. Homeowners can expect tangible benefits from the SimPure 3-stage Big Blue system, including improved taste and odor, reduced scale and sediment buildup in plumbing, and better protection for sensitive appliances like water heaters and dishwashers. For families who value overall water quality and long-term cost savings, this whole house filter is a practical and powerful investment. Next up in my SimPure water filter reviews roundup, we have the SimPure countertop reverse osmosis system with Remineralization, which is crafted for those who desire the purity of reverse osmosis water with the added benefit of healthy minerals, all in a portable and installation-free design. This system sits conveniently on your countertop, requiring only a power source and a feed water tank, making it ideal for apartments, offices, dorm rooms, or RVs. The advanced multi-stage RO membrane removes up to 99.99% of contaminants, including heavy metals, chlorine, fluoride, and microplastics, ensuring every sip is as clean as possible. As any of the glowing SimPure reverse osmosis system reviews will tell you, what sets this unit apart is its remineralization stage, which reintroduces essential minerals like calcium and magnesium after the RO process. This not only enhances the taste, giving the water a crisp, refreshing quality, but also balances pH for those who prefer alkaline water. The result is hydration that feels natural and satisfying, suitable for both drinking and culinary uses. The system's intelligent design includes a smart panel display, filter replacement alerts, and a pure-to-drain ratio that maximizes water efficiency. Maintenance is made effortless with quick change filters and clear indicators, so you're always aware of when service is needed. The plug-and-play nature of the system means there's no need for plumbing modifications, making it accessible to anyone regardless of living situation. The compact, stylish form factor ensures it complements any modern kitchen or workspace without taking up excessive room. Overall, the SimPure countertop RO system with Remineralization delivers the peace of mind that comes from knowing your water is both pure and mineral-rich. It's a perfect match for health-conscious individuals, busy professionals, or anyone seeking a portable yet powerful filtration solution that doesn't compromise on taste or quality. Moving on to the next product in my SimPure water filter review, we have the SimPure Undersink Tankless RO system, which is a high-performance solution for those who want the purity of reverse osmosis water combined with the benefits of balanced minerals, all delivered through an efficient, space-saving design. Unlike traditional RO systems that require bulky storage tanks, the SimPure Undersink system is tankless, providing fresh, on-demand water while saving up to 70% of undersink space. Its impressive 8-stage filtration process is designed to remove up to 99.99% of over 1,000 contaminants, including PFAS, heavy metals, chlorine and fluoride, and microplastics, ensuring exceptional water safety. A key feature of this system is its alkaline remineralization filter, which restores essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium to the water after the RO process. This not only improves taste, giving the water a naturally crisp and balanced flavor, but also raises the pH to a healthy alkaline range, typically between 7.5 and 9. The result is water that's both pure and nourishing, ideal for drinking, cooking, and brewing beverages. The SimPure Undersink system boasts a high flow rate of 400 gallons per day and a low pure-to-drain ratio of 1.5 to 1, making it both powerful and eco-friendly. The system's twist and filter design allows for quick, leak-free replacements in just seconds, while a built-in water pressure gauge provides real-time feedback on filter status. Installation is streamlined, and the system can even be connected to a refrigerator or ice maker with the addition of an optional pressure tank. Overall, this water filter is an outstanding choice for families and individuals who want the best of both worlds: advanced contaminant removal and the health benefits of naturally remineralized water. Next up in my SimPure Reviews Roundup is the SimPure Y7 Countertop Water Filtration System, which brings together convenience, advanced purification, and modern aesthetics in one compact unit. Designed to sit elegantly on any countertop, this system requires zero installation, making it perfect for renters, office spaces, or anyone seeking a plug-and-play solution. The Y7 utilizes a 5-stage reverse osmosis process, including a 0.0001 micron RO membrane, effectively removing up to 99.99% of contaminants such as microplastics, viruses, bacteria, PFAS, heavy metals, chlorine, nitrates, and fluoride. As any SimPure reverse osmosis review will tell you, what truly distinguishes the Y7 is its integrated UV sterilization, which provides an extra layer of protection by neutralizing bacteria and viruses without adding chemicals or altering taste. The system features a smart panel display, water shortage and filter replacement alerts, and a pure-to-drain ratio of 4 to 1, maximizing water efficiency and reducing waste. With auto-dispense options for 6-ounce, 12-ounce, or 15 ounces, you can fill a glass or bottle with just a touch, adding to the everyday convenience. Maintenance is simple, with quick-change twist and seal filters that are pre-installed for immediate use. The system's transparent feed water tank allows you to monitor water levels easily, while the compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into any living space. The UV light is designed for longevity, providing up to 5 years of microbial control before replacement is needed. Ultimately, the SimPure Y7 offers immediate access to crisp, pure water that's both safe and delicious. It's an ideal choice for health-conscious individuals, busy families, or anyone who values both performance and ease of use in their water filtration system. The combination of RO and UV technology provides peace of mind and a noticeable improvement in water quality from the very first use. So, what is the best SimPure water filter on the market? While the best option for you depends on your personal filtration needs, my vote goes to the SimPure Y10C Countertop RO system because it's a feature-rich appliance that merges advanced water purification with the convenience of on-demand cooling. This 7-stage system incorporates both MRO and CTO filters, ensuring the removal of a wide array of contaminants, including chlorine, heavy metals, microplastics, and more, all while delivering water at your preferred temperature. The innovative cooling technology allows you to select between adjustable cold or room temperature water, catering to personal preferences for hydration or culinary needs. The Y10C Smart Panel display offers intuitive control over system functions, including filter replacement alerts and a real-time view of water status. The pure-to-drain ratio of 2.3 to 1 highlights the system's efficient use of water, minimizing waste while maximizing output. The plug-and-use design means there's no need for complicated installation. Simply place the unit on your countertop, fill the pitcher-style reservoir, and enjoy pure, cold water within minutes. Maintenance is designed to be hassle-free with a 3-second filter replacement process and clear reminders when it's time for service. The system is tested against NSF and ANC 58 standards, providing confidence in its contaminant removal capabilities. Its portable, compact form factor makes it suitable for kitchens, offices, dorms, or anywhere a reliable source of purified, chilled water is desired. You'll appreciate the immediate comfort and refreshment of having pure, cold water at your fingertips, along with the peace of mind that comes from advanced filtration and smart operation. The SimPure Y10C is perfect for families, professionals, or anyone who wants an all-in-one solution for both hydration and water quality, blending technology, convenience, and taste into a single countertop appliance. Thanks for sticking around for my SimPure reviews. If you're interested in any of these models, the description box has all the links you'll need. Wishing you nothing but crisp, clean water from now on.